Dear children, today we are going to perform an activity to find the HCF, that is HCF between 18 and 4. Now this is the topic which we are doing in the 10th standard, but I will be teaching through activity how can you find out the HCF of 18 and 4 by activity. Now here you see on this board I have made 18 squares. These are squares. 1 square unit is the area of it. So there are 18 squares horizontal and 4 square vertical. Now the idea is to find out the HCF of 18 and 4. Now the highest square of length, how much you can make from this? These are 18 and these are 4. I want to frame a square with a maximum length. So you know that this length is 4 and this length is 18. So the square which we will be framing, that maximum can have a length of 4. 4 by 4. So 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be the maximum square which I can form from this rectangular. So we will rub out this. Now this becomes, now this length from 18 we have deducted 4. So now this length is becoming 18 minus 4, that will become how much? 18 minus 4, that will become 14. 14 here and 4 here. So here it is 4 and here it is 14. Now again to make a square of maximum length from this rectangular. So again we can make a square of maximum length, that is again 4 by 4. So 4 here, 1, 2, 3, 4 here. So this is again a square of maximum length. So again we can again rub this, the maximum length square which I have made. Now out of 14 we have again deducted 4. So remaining will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we are having 10 this way and 4 this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 this way, 10 this way. Again I want to make a square of maximum length 4. So for this, again 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 this way. So this is again a square of maximum length. That's why we'll again rub it. Now the remaining figure. Now remaining figure is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 4 this way. Again repeat the same activity having a maximum. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This 4. This 4. Again we will rub this. Clear? Now we have rubbed this. Now we are having 4 this way and 2 this way. We are having 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 this way. Now the maximum length of the square which you can make from it is 2 now. So we will make 2 by 2. This square we have made it. So we will rub this portion. Now the remaining the square which is 4, that is the maximum. Now you cannot make it, so 2 by 2, that is the maximum. So hence we can say that HCF of 18 and 4 is 4. 2. Sorry, it is 2. Thank you.